Hello.
This video is for Larger82. She commented, or he commented, I think it's a he, I mean she, I don't know. Anyway, she commented and said, "We barely saw the London tote. I have no idea how large it is, what the pockets are like inside, what the proportions are against you." I did show that in the last video. Watch it again. The proportions are definitely there. You sure made yourself at home in this bag, didn't you? She was really disappointed, so I did this video just for her. And for anyone else who might be feeling the same thing about the first video I did showing you the Aspinal of London tote, I hope this is more immersive and more insightful for you, as Larger82 did. If there's anything that I need to do, this bag is great. I love it, and it's currently on loan to my sister, who has made herself very comfortable in it. Honestly, I felt, yeah, if she can comment and she's not, something is missing for her, probably many people feel that way. So I thought, let me do another video for you guys, and I hope this kind of, you know, scratches the itch in terms of getting to know the bag and help you make the decision. Until next time, stay safe. I will see you next week Sunday, 6 p.m. UK time. If you want to check out any other bag related content, I'm gonna link somewhere what are those, the card to the playlist for all of my unboxings or deep dives into bags, and a little bit of ASMR as well. So yeah, I'll see you next time.